Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to build a temperature sensor with an NTC Thermistor and Arduino. This sensor will change LED colors based on temperature. Let's get started. For this project you'll need an Arduino Uno, a breadboard, a 10 kilo-ohm resistor, an NTC Thermistor, 2 LEDs, some jumper wires, and a USB cable to connect the Arduino to your computer. First, we're gonna start by connecting the LEDs. LEDs have 2 legs. So we're going to insert the red LED into the breadboard and then the green LED next to it. We're going to connect the negative leg of both LEDs to ground on the Arduino using a jumper wire. Then we'll connect the positive leg of the red LED to pin 9 and the green LED to pin 8. Now the LEDs are ready to indicate different temperature levels. So now we're going to add our NTC Thermistor, which is a temperature sensitive resistor. When temperature increases, its resistance decreases. So we'll use this property to measure temperature changes. Insert the thermistor onto the breadboard. Connect one leg of the thermistor to 5 volts on the Arduino. Then we'll connect the other leg to one leg of the 10 kilo-ohm resistor. After that, we're going to connect the other side of the resistor to ground. We need to measure the voltage between the thermistor and the resistor. To do that, connect a jumper wire from their junction point to A0 on the Arduino. This will send the temperature data to the microcontroller. Now, we only have to write the code that will read temperature values and control the LEDs accordingly. So open Arduino IDE and just type your code. After typing the code, we have to talk about how this code does 3 things. First, it reads the analog value from the thermistor and it converts that value into temperature in Fahrenheit and Celsius. And then it turns the red LED on if the temperature is 90 Fahrenheit or higher. Otherwise, it keeps the green LED on. Now, let's upload our code to the Arduino and test it. So we're going to connect our Arduino to your computer using a USB cable. In Arduino IDE, we're going to select your board and port. Then you're going to click upload and wait for the code to compile. At room temperature, the green LED should be on, indicating normal temperature. If you hit the thermistor using your hands, as the temperature increases, the resistance drops, and once it reaches 90 Fahrenheit, the red LED turns on. When we remove the heat, the thermistor cools down and the green LED turns back on. This means that our temperature sensor is working perfectly. So this is everything for this project, a simple but effective temperature sensor using an NTC Thermistor and Arduino. Thank you.